Welcome guys to Kuwait to Indian Vlog. This is our first flight experience after this pandemic. So it is looking like the first time we are going to travel from Kuwait to Mumbai. So I will show you the experience from Kuwait to Mumbai in a short video of only 3 minutes, but the exact flight hours was almost 4 to 8 hours. There is a change in timing, so we will enjoy the flight. So let's see how it looks. The flight was a little bit bumpy because of the weather and the strong winds in the Kuwait temperature, but it was really a fantastic journey because after a long time we are gonna see our families, and it is really a nice experience. Actually, we have gone the flight for a very long time, but it feels really good. Welcome guys, after 4 hours of flight journey, now we are almost reached Mumbai. We will be landing in more 5-10 minutes, and it really feels good. And the weather over here looks a little bit warm and nice, so I'm very eager to land to our motherland, India. And you can see the traffic on the roads. I'm now in more 1 minute we will be touching down the runway. You can see the flights. Oh yeah, yes, it is just landed in India now, and the experience of this flight was very good. So everybody be safe and stay in your homes unless necessary to go out. And it is very nice to talk to you, and thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe and like and share the channel, and it is nice to make videos for you. Thank you guys. Welcome.